Good day everyone. It is with great pleasure for me to introduce to you today our latest development within the OKTO brand. The OKTO brand has been around since 1952 and is exclusive to Crown National. Introducing to you the latest OKTO Swift bandsaw. The OKTO Swift's latest design features are it comes with a direct drive motor, a 1.5 kilowatt 380 volt unit, neatly tucked away under the bandsaw, covered and for ease of cleaning. Sliding table has been designed for ease of cleaning. Lifted here. Also on this side you have where you can remove the sliding table completely. It also has a reduced thumb guard feature here, which previous models had a very high one, so enhancing cutting ability for the operator of the machine. The sliding table is 3 millimeters thick, designed to handle heavier cuts of meat. At the back it also has a T-piece screw which you just turn off for ease of cleaning underneath. The slide arm has also been designed, it's been to lift much higher so that it can accommodate a larger cut of meat. It's also a lot more robust, so when you're cutting as well, it's going to give you support on your blade, thus enhancing longevity of your bandsaw blade. The machine has also come equipped with a longer frame at the bottom, thus enhancing the stability of the machine during operation. As you can see, it's not moving around, and thus it's going to also assist in ensuring that you get a very smooth cut during operation. The scrapers have also been simplified, a lot less working parts, very easy to install, so when you're replacing them, a lot less working parts. The machine has also been designed on the top and bottom wheel have been balanced, enhancing a much smoother cut, once again enhancing the longevity of the blade. The machine also runs on a 112.5 length blade, thus enhancing a lot of stability during your cutting, also making sure that you eliminate a lot of bone dust. The machine also has a removable bone dust tray at the bottom, also for ease of cleaning. The tension knob on the top for the bandsaw blade has also been strengthened with an aluminium unit. The new design on the start-stop motor is where originally it used to be in the front of the machine. We've now moved it to the back onto the neck here. Very easy, turn it on, off here. The advantage of this as well is during cleaning that you are not damaging any of the switches here. The 380 volt on-off switch has also been added here for ease of use, because normally it's on the top, so it's a very good safety feature. The brake release switch has also been neatly positioned at the back, once again able to use your right hand. On off, the ergonomics, once you release it, is for ease of movement, for cleaning of the unit, taking off the blade and replacing the blade as well. The OKTO Swift comes with full technical service backup. Valued customers, please don't hesitate to call your local Crown representative today. Don't delay for further information. Thank you everyone, and have a swift day.